Ever wonder how cement, a key material in concrete, is made? It literally helps hold our modern world together.
The process starts with raw materials: limestone, clay, sand, and iron ore, all sourced from the earth.
First, large limestone rocks are extracted from quarries using heavy machinery. These extracted rocks are then transported to the cement manufacturing plant. At the plant, giant crushers break the large rocks into much smaller, manageable pieces. These smaller pieces are mixed with other materials and ground into a fine powder called raw meal. The raw meal enters tall preheater towers, where hot gases begin essential chemical changes. It then moves into a massive rotating kiln, heated to extreme temperatures, often over 1400 degrees Celsius. Inside the kiln, the raw materials transform into hard, dark gray pellets known as clinker.
Immediately, the hot clinker is quickly cooled down using air to stabilize it.
To control how cement sets, a small amount of gypsum is then added to the cooled clinker. This mixture is finely ground again in a cement mill, creating the finished cement powder.
The ready-to-use cement powder is stored in large, airtight silos.
Finally, it's packed into bags or loaded into bulk trucks for delivery to construction sites. And that's how cement is made, from quarry rock to the powder that builds our homes, roads, and bridges.